my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Today marks day 9 of the Advent Calendar series. Y'all, I can't believe we have already rolled through and rolled past the very first week of Advent. My heart is just bubbling over with so much joy, getting to combine so many loves, like my love of nail art and to share it with the nail community, and my love of Madam Glam. It's just like all of the loves. So today we are unboxing, as I said, day number 9, and I am tickled pink because y'all, this is a mini. I can just tell. You know Detective Raven with my monocle is on the case. What in the dusty rose is happening over here? Okay, this is called the Pink Star, which if you know anything about my beautiful charm sister, Mama Does Nails, she is the Pink Star. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, I have a huge soft spot for pastels. That is actually part of the problem in my collection. I have so many pastel blues and pinks and purples and greens. It's like overshadowing most of my things. But I can't get over how soft. This is like a powder pink. It is so beautiful and I cannot wait. Oh my goodness. Tips by Tarns. Recently, I did a recreation of her set that was like a plaid, a Christmas tartan, but she did an unconventional Christmas set that was pinks. And as soon as I saw this color, I lost it, so I am going to have to do my own pink Christmas. I am feeling all of the peppermint swirls and the icicles and snowflakes and just all of the dreamy things. If you guys have any suggestions of Christmas or holiday nail art that you would like to see on this channel, please comment down below because I would love to hear it. Now, we gotta do some nail talk here. This is definitely a 4 or 5 bottle opacity. I could not get over the coverage. This is definitely a cream formula, by the by. It is so smooth, and I just can't get over how beautiful this powder pink is. So this is when it got me thinking, because I like to add a little bit of sparkle to everything. So a couple years back, and this is crazy to say, 3 years ago, in the Advent Calendar series, it was the very first box I ever tried, there was this shimmer called North Pole. This was before I understood about the limited edition part, and I ran on over their website to try to get a big bottle, and it was to my chagrin that I realized, oh, some of the things we get in this calendar are truly, I thought the box was limited edition. I didn't understand at that point truly what all of that meant. So this is one of the goodies from 3 years ago that I have coveted. I have made sure that nothing happened to this polish because it is one of the most beautiful sparkles I have ever seen. So I am going to put a thin layer just so you can see how easy it is to jazz up a polish. Now, in these Advent Calendar unboxings, I have been doing swatches and trying to use like as many Advent Calendar products as possible. But I do want to wait until I've built up some more before I start going into full looks. So don't you worry, there's going to be all the full looks with this magic and nail dits and all the beautiful things. But I just want to make sure that I'm giving each day the proper attention it deserves. There is no words, my beautiful family. Thank you for making this first 9 days so magical, and I cannot wait to see what the Advent has in store. I am sending so much love and light your way, and I cannot wait to see you. For tomorrow, we're in double digits, y'all. Tomorrow for day 10, and it looks like a full-size product. I'm squealing. Sending so much love. Thank you for watching.